Hello and welcome to another video. So in this video we want to find out what is an apocalyptic number. So let me write it here as a comment. A number of the form 2 to the power of n is apocalyptic if it contains 666 as a substring. So easy. So first I want to have a counter variable starting from 1, and then let's have a while loop. So what I want to do is I want to display all the exponents, not the numbers. I don't want to display apocalyptic numbers because they will be so huge and like the output will be so messy. So I just want to display the powers, the exponents, starting from 1 and here 1000, starting from 1 up to and including 1000. So let's have a function here to decide if the number is apocalyptic or not, in this form, of course. So let's call the function apocalypse. So what we want to get, we want to have string as the parameter, and we want to return Boolean. So just one single line will be the body of the function. That's all. It's so simple. Return 1 if our string x contains 666. So inside quotations. So return 1. Yes, this is apocalyptic. Else 0. That's all. Nothing else. So let's go back to the while loop. Now if, let's call the function apocalypse, and here, so the function takes string. Now here we have to convert an integer, a huge number. It's like, it's so massive. 2 to the power of n using the exponentiation operator. You can use pow function if you want. So if this one is true, 1 or true, both of them are equivalent. Let's print the exponents and let's have the end parameter, some spaces, and that's all. And here n plus or equal to 1. So let's run this one. Something is wrong here. $600 in x. Sorry. If we have 666 in x, I forgot. So here we have all the exponents. So the first one, smallest one, is 157, and the last one is 994. Now let's change this one to 10,000. Let's see if we can get something strange. We've got many. So these are all the exponents. 2 to the power of any of them will create an apocalyptic number. So let's wrap it up here. Hopefully you have enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.